Kailash Institute of Pharmacy and Management has been established under the aegis of Ashutosh, Shiksha, Evam, Sewa Sansthan to provide quality education to students of pharmacy. Admissions open in Kailash Institute of Pharmacy and Management. Courses offered B Pharma, D Pharma and M Pharma. AKTU College Code 516 and BTE College Code 4829. An ISO Certified Institute affiliated to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University and Board of Technical Education Lucknow and approved by Pharmacy Council of India, New Delhi. KIPM has a lush, green, sprawling campus spread over 7 acres of land, having world-class infrastructure and facilities. Kailash Institute of Pharmacy and Management has various laboratories for experiments and studies. A pharmaceutical chemistry lab for identification and preparation of different medicinal products. In the Human Anatomy and Pathophysiology lab, students study human parts with pathogenesis. The institute has well-designed machine room with quality machines for development of tablets, capsules and other dosage forms. A well-designed pharmacognosy lab is used for identification and standardization of different herbal drugs obtained from natural sources.
KIPM is one of the best institutions for pharmacy in Eastern UP. We have faculties who are highly skilled, knowledgeable, experienced and reliable. They are very helpful and there is a professional atmosphere surrounding us.
The Pharmaceutics Lab helps in the formulation of various dosage forms like syrups, tablets and capsules. A well-equipped central instrumentation lab is used for qualitative and quantitative estimation of drugs and drug products.
Economy of our country is limited to health of the people. So I have chosen Kailash Institute of Pharmacy and Management because it is best established institute and pioneer in Eastern UP.
The aseptic room is used for study of microbiology preparations. The Institute's museum lab has an extensive collection of Ayurvedic and allopathic medicines.
This is the best pharmacy college in the city and the entire faculty is very helpful.
The herbal garden has more than 100 medicinal plants to understand taxonomy and morphology of medicinal plants. The Director of Pharmacy is Dr. Jay Narayan Mishra, PhD in Pharmacology, having more than 15 years of academic experience and with more than 150 national and international research papers. The Institute has classrooms with projectors and adequate seating capacity. A well-stocked library has more than 9,000 books with national and international journals. Fully air-conditioned seminar halls and conference halls are equipped with audio-visual addressing systems where various workshops, seminars, conferences along with corporate and guest lectures are conducted regularly.
The faculties here are the best and they are very helpful and they provide quality education. They make us understand the concept very easily.
Besides extensive studies, strong focus is laid on the overall grooming and all-round personality development of students. Regular cultural and co-curricular activities at the campus inculcate a feeling of self-confidence and development of better personality. Various indoor and outdoor games like carom, chess, volleyball, badminton, basketball, cricket, etc. are provided along with a well-equipped gym for overall fitness. A neat and clean cafeteria provides delicious and hygienic food to students. Comfortable and homely hostel facility is provided to students with separate hostels for boys and girls. A fleet of buses provide a comfortable conveyance facility to local students and staff members. An ATM in the KIPM campus provides 24/7 banking services to the students and staff. Radio Gorakhpur 90.8 FM, a community radio station inaugurated by Yogi Adityanath, Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, allows and transmits informal learning and social information in our students, besides helping them to improve their communication and self-confidence. KIPM was awarded the Education Excellence Award from Dr. Bhuta Singh, ex-Home Minister, Government of India, and Best Institution Award by renowned author Mr. Chetan Bhagat.
Infrastructure provides an excellent environment, including digital library facilities. The laboratories consist of well-maintained equipment. The college works on overall development of students by providing sports activity. Overall, the academic experience is good and exposure to job opportunities is high.
The saga of laurels continues with International Education Excellence Award of Bangkok, Thailand. India National Achievers Award for Social and Public Services at Singapore. KIPM students have had excellent placement through campus selections by reputed multinational as well as national companies. Almost 265 companies visit the campus and more than 2,800 students are placed in different MNCs. KIPM received the Shiksha Gaurav Samman for quality education and 100% placement from Professor Kripa Shankar, Vice Chancellor, UP Technical University, and Shri Anis Ansari, Vice Chancellor of Urdu and Farsi University, Lucknow. KIPM also received the Udyamita Samman Award for quality education and placement from Shri Shivpal Singh Yadav, erstwhile Minister of PWD and Education Department, Government of Uttar Pradesh. KIPM has also been awarded the Educational Excellence Global Award from Sheikh Abdullah bin Zayed Al Nahyan. The institute also received Quality Education and Best Placement Awards from Dr. Brajesh Pathak, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Government of Uttar Pradesh. KIPM has also been awarded the Best Education Award 2023 from Shri Gautam Chaudhary, Honorable Justice, High Court, Prayagraj. Gorakhpur Ratn Samman Award was also received by KIPM from Shri Dayashankar Singh, Honorable Minister in the Government of Uttar Pradesh, and Shri Ravi Kishan Shukla, Honorable MP of Gorakhpur.
KIPM में बच्चों के पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट पर विशेष ध्यान दिया जाता है। इसके लिए अलग से एक डेडिकेटेड पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट सेल भी बनाया गया। इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए कम्युनिकेशन लैंग्वेज लैब की भी स्थापना की गई है। समय समय पर स्पोर्ट्स, कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़, इंडस्ट्रियल विजिट भी कराई जाती है। इससे बच्चों को एक्सपोजर मिलता है।
जब गोरखपुर में KIPM है तो कहीं और क्यों जाना?
For admissions, contact Kailash Institute of Pharmacy and Management. Mobile numbers 800-990-2936, 800-990-2937, 88-534-37366.
East or West, KIPM is the best.
Walk in with a dream, walk out with a career. KIPM Technical Campus, GIDA Gorakhpur.